where we are.
All right, Jackson and I are here at the fishing pond, and I don't know if you can see it, but we see a water snake coming this way. We might be running like girls in a minute, because he's coming right at us.
He might be doing his job, trying to get the buds.
I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's trying to get our worms. Oh, oh, stay here. Jackson, stay.
That is, oh, that is them snake.
He's slithery. I don't know what kind of snake he is. He's got, like, stripes, so we want to be careful. Don't get any closer till we know what kind it is. But he's got, like, diamonds on his back. He's definitely slithery, isn't he?
How about you just look it up so we know what kind it is?
All right, well, I'm still videoing right now, so we'll look it up afterwards when we can look at the tape. But just stay here. Don't get any closer. You're not going to be picking up no snakes today. But we'll do some investigation so we know what to do next time. Oh, there he goes on the log. Can you see him?
Mm-hmm. You might be wanting to get that froggy.
Probably. Snakes like frogs. But at least he's not coming to eat you.
Yep. So I think...
Oh, he did just go after something. He went quick too when he went, didn't he?
Uh-huh.
All right, that's our snake while fishing.
Yep.
So we just got back from fishing, right?
Uh-huh.
And we looked up the snake.
Uh-huh.
And it is a northern water snake?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Are they poisonous?
Nope.
And where do they like to live?
And the grass or the water or the hose.
Where there's water, right? And frogs and dragonflies that you can eat, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right, well, say bye.
Bye. By the way, I'm eating bubblegum.
So what are they supposed to do if they like our video?